started working on garage doors as a teenager, and since then I kind of fell in love with working on doors and gates and fixing things and making people happy. At A&PM Door and Gate Company, we're not satisfied until the customer is satisfied. We have trained technicians and sales staff with over 25 years experience. A&PM specializes in sales, service, and repairs of all different types of doors and gates, whether it's residential or commercial. We have 24-hour trucks waiting for your call. If you need a door estimate, please call us at 1-800-286-3667, or you can reach us on the World Wide Web at ampmdoorandgate.com.